Hello friends, ETPC here doing an unboxing on the Sharp Quartz analog alarm clock. Picked this up at Walmart for about $4. I'm gonna unbox this little guy and see what we got. I need an alarm clock to get up, obviously, so it's got this little screw here in the back. Don't want anyone taking this $3 alarm clock, you know, so let's get that out of there. Seriously? Alright, unscrewed. And what we have is instructions, who needs instructions. And then we have a child-proof box. Unfortunately, I'm not a child. Okay, here we have it. It's an empty box. And this is what we get. Alright, I will do a review on this guy as well as how to set it up, and we'll talk about it. The pluses, minuses, negatives, positives. Okay, thanks for watching.